So this is the pound dollar analysis for the Friday, the 1st of December. So let's have a look what happened with prices and where they're likely to go. So we've had this very large series of candles just down here, indicating likely some fundamental news catalyst there. And ever since then, we haven't looked back. So price action is pretty bullish, as can be seen. We've had this very strong candle here, had a shallow retracement, and we've posted a series of higher lows, which are indicative of bullish price action. So these series of higher lows are supportive of bullish price action. So we have to have a look at the levels above us first before we have a look at the levels that we might retrace back to. So we're currently in and around this 35.50. That was the level I was looking at to see if we do see some possible resistance. So far we haven't seen any resistance around 35.50. We've come up to 34.88. Again, we didn't see much resistance there. We did see some resistance in around 34.29 earlier, but ever since then we've had a retest of that level and we have seen a move to the upside. So we do look poised. Let's just clean this chart up a bit. So as we can see here, we're currently consolidating beneath this 35.50, but we do look poised based on the previous price action to be looking for a break to the upside. So to the upside, our very next target is in around this 36.57, which is a key level for as it is the close of the Brexit week candle, and that has been the high of 2017 so far. We do look poised to head up there. We may not have enough momentum to take us up there on Friday. We do have a non-farm payrolls coming out as well. I think it's on Friday. Could have a strong non-farm in the US, so we might see some further retracement, possibly going back down to 34.29. But overall, we're expecting further upside momentum, so we might head up to 36.57. Let's see where we are at present. Either on Friday or sometime next week if we get continued support in terms of the fundamentals. But we do look poised for a move up towards that 36.57 for another test. We have to be aware of if we hold this 35.50 and above, which the next level might possibly be in around this 136 level before we head up to our 136.57. Now if we do break down from this 135.50, again we've got 134.88. We didn't see much of a reaction around there, so we're looking for the next key level in around this 134.29, beyond which we're looking all the way back down to 33.50. Currently up 33.50 might be the far end of the range here on the pound dollar on Friday the 1st, and to the upside we're expecting the 36.57 to prove a somewhat difficult level to break to the upside. The distance is quite a bit, and also it's a strong level as well, whereas 33.50, it's again, I wouldn't anticipate us retracing all the way back down there, but a very strong US news catalyst coupled with some profit taking after this very strong extended move could potentially see 33.50 come into focus. I wouldn't anticipate us coming all the way down to this 200 period moving average as well, but this 200 period moving average will likely depend how fast we have prices move to get down to 33.50. The 200 period moving average could be up there as well, further adding to the confluence for more upside buy side momentum to the more buy side momentum. Now let's just have a look at the daily chart for wrapping up here on the pound dollar. So if we head over to the daily chart on the pound dollar, let's just get scared on here, correct? So we were saying we've had an extended run here on the pound dollar on the previous videos. So we're in a bit of a trading range just here, but for some time now we've gotten a bit of a consistent run of bullish days. We've had the odd bearish day sprinkled in, but overall it has been a consistent series of bullish days. At one point these candles did appear weak, had small bodies, but we have seen some momentum come into the market. We've had larger candles being posted, so we do look poised to retest these highs in and around this 36.57. Of concern though is this large candle here, the most recent candle for Thursday. Usually we see large candles near the end of trends, which is like which are sometimes one last push by either the bulls or the bears, before which we see some retracement to the downside. This large candle is coming in from Thursday. We are in Friday, normally a day when we do see some profit taking, but it was the end of the month on Thursday, the 30th, so we may see some repositioning on the 1st, and we'll see how prices react to this non-farm payrolls. But overall, we do look poised to test these highs of 2017 so far, being around at 136.57. So that should wrap up the pound dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.